everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Urvashi Singla. I am a professional trainer. I provide trainings in front-end development technologies, that is HTML, CSS, JavaScript, ESX, ReactJs and Redux. And beside that, I help students with the mentoring and guiding and helping with the interview preparation as well. So in today's video, we are going to see how to get started with ReactJs. So again, I get a lot of DMs regarding how to get started with ReactJs. So maximum students actually get confused about what is ReactJs, how it is linked with front-end development technologies. So today I'm going to tell you how it is linked and why we need it. So ReactJs is advanced UI technology for creating the UI of your website. To get started with ReactJs, I'm going to discuss few points that you guys can follow. The very first is learning HTML, CSS and JavaScript, because these are the prerequisite. So you really need to have good practical knowledge of all these concepts. And when I say practical knowledge, that means you really need to get your hands dirty with all these technologies. Though these all are front-end development technologies. And beside that, you need to focus on not just basic, but the advanced concepts as well. The second point is, after you learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript, all the basic and advanced topics, you need to get started with ESX. That is the second major version of JavaScript, that is ECMAScript 6. So second point is learning ESX, because in ReactJs we use ESX syntax, and there we don't typically write older JavaScript version syntax. So that is the reason you really need to have good knowledge of ESX features. Now the third point is, once you learn HTML, CSS, JavaScript, ESX, and you are comfortable with it, when I say comfortable, you have practiced a lot, you know the basics and advanced topics as well, you can start with the ReactJs. And for ReactJs, always start with the basic concepts. And when it's come to ReactJs, it's little disadvantage that you will never find all the topics online consolidated in one place. You have to literally go to multiple websites and learn topics. So the best way to start with the basic topics is the original website, or you can go for any trainer as well. That would also work. And definitely, if you want to go with the self-learning, I will drop a link in the description box there that you can visit. So that is the official website of the ReactJs. So once you start with the basic concepts, start with the side hustle, start creating projects. You can start with mini projects, you can start with mini assignments. And once you are comfortable with the basic, move to the advanced topics of the ReactJs. This is how you can take these baby steps to learn ReactJs. So starting with basic technologies of front end, then learning the advanced version of those technologies, and then finally with the ReactJs. And definitely last point, that is the fourth point, is project. Project is very important, or you can call it as POC as well, that is proof of concept. That basically means whatever you have learned, you are going to showcase that. You can upload that anywhere, you can upload that on GitHub, you can upload that on LinkedIn, anywhere you can show that. Definitely if you are learning these technologies, you want jobs as well. So the best way to do that is, after you learn all these technologies, work on a project or POC, that is a proof that you have done something. Upload that on GitHub. In fact, regularly upload your codes on GitHub and then on LinkedIn as well, so that any HR, anyone, you can approach them through the LinkedIn. And if you are a fresher, definitely you can start with the internships. There are a lot of internships, you can find them on LinkedIn, you can just Google them as well. And you can visit website like Indeed.naukri.com. And beside that, if you are already a working professional and want to scale up their skills in ReactJs, I think you guys are already in an IT company. So it's really easy for you guys to just switch from one project to another. So once you learn ReactJs, you can showcase that project to your team lead or anyone in the company, anyone who is already working in ReactJs technology. So they will definitely going to help you deploy in a React project. So these are the ways you can start with ReactJs. And again, and I'm very thankful to you guys that you guys post such comments and DM me as well regarding all these technologies. And definitely I'm going to come up regularly with such videos. You guys can comment here as well if you guys any specific topic that you guys want me to talk about. You can post anything. You guys again can DM me, comment in my Instagram, comment in my YouTube channel, anywhere. In fact, you guys can ping me in the LinkedIn as well. So I've dropped all my social media links below in the description box, so you guys can follow me there. If you guys want to know anything, any specific topic, you guys can comment as well. So that's all for today's video. See you guys in the next video. Guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.